Welcome, today we're going to show you how to add a full screen background onto calling ID for incoming calls in Samsung phones. So how to actually do that? So in your Samsung phone you can actually just open the contacts from here. So after you open the contacts app, you need to open the search bar as see from here. Click on it and search for the person that you want to change the full screen background for. So if you want to change the picture for your friend or for your family, you can just search for that specific person. After that, this menu will pop up. You need to click on more option on the three dots on the down right corner as see from here. After that, this menu will pop up. You need to click on edit call background. So now from here you need to choose background, and now you can choose whatever background from your gallery, or you can choose it from anywhere you want. So you can just choose your gallery or your files and choose the best background that suits your friend. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.